Hey everyone! So, you've got a new Fire Stick or Fire TV stick, and you're ready to try the CloudStreamIPTV service? Well, let's take it to the next level by sideloading your Fire device and installing the CloudStreamIPTV app. I'm here to guide you through the process. It's easier than you might think, so let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is sideloading? In simple terms, it's the process of installing applications onto your Fire Stick from sources other than the official Amazon App Store. This can open up a whole new world of content, from entertainment apps to tools and utilities that aren't officially available. Alright, step 1. On your Fire Stick, navigate to the Settings menu. You'll want to go into My Fire TV. On new model devices, you may not see developer options. Not to worry, it's easy. Just click on About, and Fire TV Stick should appear. Click 7 times continuously on Fire TV Stick. Look at the bottom, a dialog box should show you how many steps away from being a developer. Press the back button once. Now you will see Developer Options. Here, you need to enable 2 things: ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. This might sound a bit techy, but all you're doing is telling your Fire Stick that it's okay to install apps from outside the Amazon ecosystem. Next up, you'll need a way to install the CloudStreamIPTV apps. One of the easiest methods is to use an app called Downloader. Go back to your Fire Stick's main menu, search for Downloader, and install it. Once it's installed, open the app. The app may ask for permission to access photos, media, and files on your device. This is normal, don't be afraid. Select Allow to grant permission. Here's where it gets fun. The Downloader app has a field where you can enter a URL. You'll need to find the URL download link for the APK file. To find this link, you will need to visit our website. My advice is to do this first and write down the URL. With your computer or smartphone, visit CloudStreamIPTV and click on Install, Android, and Fire Stick. Scroll down to page 10 and copy the URL with the number. Once you have that, enter the number or URL into the Downloader app, which says Enter a URL or shortcode. Hit go. The app will start downloading. When the download is finished, the installation menu will pop up. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once the app is installed, you will see a notification confirming the status. You will also see 2 buttons on the bottom, Done and Open. Choose Done. Press the Delete button to remove the APK file from your storage. You don't need it any longer. And that's it. You've just installed the CloudStreamIPTV app on your Fire Stick. Now it's time to start watching live TV, movies, or your favorite series. You can now launch the app. To do so, go to your list of apps by pressing the Home button on your remote control and selecting the Apps option. You should now see the CloudStreamIPTV app. Go ahead and launch it. After you have registered and subscribed to our website, open your email to receive your login credentials. Enter your username and password. You are now ready to use it for the first time. Happy streaming, and see you in the next video.